If you're FBM, this shipping update is critical, ignore it, and risk suspension. Now, this update was last year where Amazon's going to change your handling time, and it's finally being rolled out as of October of 2025. Takes Amazon a while, but this was the initial update if you saw it. But what's happening now is Amazon is starting to change your handling time without even asking you. It's probably going to happen to you if it hasn't already. Effective September 30th, 2025, your 2-day default handling time will no longer be available. Now they're changing it to 1 day. So imagine if your handling time is 2 days, right? You have a day to package everything up, send it out. Now you only have 1 day to ship everything out, which is a huge change in the business model. Even if you're going out for 1 day to trying to buy more items or, live life, this is a huge change that Amazon is implementing. This was a month ago. We've got another one, order delivery time. So this one, Amazon automatically changed the purchase date was August 13th. The ship date is August 13th, and they want it to be delivered within 2 days. So they purchased it at 8:36 p.m. How the heck are you going to ship it out the same day? I don't know. But the issue with these things are Amazon could suspend you because it's like automated. And you want to get on top of this right away. You can see Amazon replied automatically. But this is a huge issue that's been happening. Now, if this is happening to you and Amazon's changing your handling time, what you could potentially do is change it on a SKU level, right? So attempt to use an inventory uploader or manually change your handling time at the SKU level. Now, what that means is if you have an Amazon listing, right? So let's go right here. If you have an Amazon listing and you click edit on your Amazon listing, on a SKU level, you can change the handling time. So you could put the handling time at like 2 days, right? Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then finally click save. Once you click save, then potentially the handling time is changed to 2 days. But this doesn't work all of the time. It only works some of the time. So just keep that in mind. This is just an update that Amazon is being a lot more difficult when it comes to sellers that are shipping themselves. They're pushing everybody to do Amazon FBA, and that's just the reality. So be ready to convert to Amazon FBA or be ready to take the hits. Now, if you are converting to FBA or you need help with your sales in general, you can go to the link in our description. You can go right to our website. We are doing a free listing audit where we can look at your listing, try to figure out problems, make sure you're generating more sales, look at your top competitors. What are they doing in monthly sales compared to you? Are they making more than $100,000 and you're only making a few? We're here to help so that way we can increase your sales. But just giving you the news. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.